Hello everyone, Multiverse Edits here. I got some insane leaks for Toilet Flush Nation Roleplay, including special leak wit early access to it. Make sure to hit that like button. And let's start. So first leak is leak of large TV man. Yes, the model is bought, but it will be getting reworks. Next leak is TV Strider leak. I don't know what about you, but that's one of the best TV Striders I've seen so far. Next leak is leak of camera rover. I love the fact they make small characters from show too, since a lot of RP games don't have them. Another large TV man leak. I think the walk animation is pretty smooth, and lobby will be getting rework as well. I like this lobby more than Ultra Toilet RPS 2 lobby. New camera toilet leaks. I still think Boom should have gave more screen time to it, but he's thankfully bringing them back with Astro upgrades. Okay guys, now time for the special leak what Flame gave me permission to post early. So shout out to Flame. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe in case I get some special leak again. Multiverse Edits out.